Welcome back everybody. Thank you for joining me for another video right here on Intrepid World. Today I'm going to keep this one nice and short for you all as I quickly go through a problem I recently faced while out on trail and how I came about fixing that problem with the help of Sea to Summit. So about 2 months ago, a friend and I hiked the 180 kilometre long Camino Salvado trail, which is found right here in Western Australia. This is a pilgrim trail and it took us 4 days and 3 nights to complete. And on the second day, we arrived at our campsite after dark, which meant we were setting up our tents after dark. Now, I wanted to travel light and fast on this adventure, so my pack weight came to 8 kilos, including 2 litres of water and my entire sleep system. The tent I had chosen for this adventure was the Sea to Summit one-man Alto tent, which comes to about 1.1 kilos. And while I was setting up this tent, I put all the tent poles together and then I was setting up the actual framework of the tent and one of the tent poles snapped. So I've got those tent poles right here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this one here is the one that snapped. Okay, so you can see it snapped in 2 places about 1 centimetre apart and I was distraught. I had used Sea to Summit products in the past, never had an issue. I'm not sponsored by them, which means I'm free to say whatever I want. And I can just let you all know quite happily that since they were founded in 1991, on all of my hiking adventures, I've been using Sea to Summit products, from their cooking utensils, sleeping mattresses, sleeping bags, and tents. This is the first time I had experienced a failure like this one. And this is what I was going to be using as my shelter. So as I say, I was quite distraught. But fortunately, I had a friend of mine with me who is a professional hiker. And I say professional hiker because he gets paid to do hiking full time and he travels all over the world. And he also hiked the Te Aroa in New Zealand. And for 60 nights, he slept in a one-man Sea to Summit Alto tent and he never had any dramas. So because I was distraught, I wasn't really thinking properly. I didn't think about what kind of tools I had with me in the kit upon purchasing this tent. And he's like, have you got your little bag with you with all your tent spikes in it? I was like, yeah. So this is the bag he was referring to. It's got all these little aluminum tent spikes in it. And he's like, they've got a splint in there. So I look inside and sure enough, there was this beautiful little gadget. This is a splint. Now I'll show you how this all works. So if we go to the problem pole, which is this tent pole right here, you can see it doesn't snap into place. See the bottom section there snapped into place nicely? Well, this one at the top's broken, so it's not going to do that. So what you do is you get the little splint, you put it over the tent pole, you slide it all the way down until you reach the part which is broken, and then you carefully, because it is quite sharp, carefully fit that splint over the top of the brake, and just like that, it's now fixed. So you can see right there. So it's absolutely fantastic that Sea to Summit put an item like that in the package when you purchase one of their tents. Now, when I got home, I must say I gave Sea to Summit a call. I spoke directly to one of the sales assistants, explained to them what happened, and he was absolutely fantastic. He organised a new part to be sent out to me so that I can fix this and continue using that tent, which I'm really grateful for. So A+ on customer service there from Sea to Summit. And I'm just waiting for that part to arrive now. Once it does arrive, I will go through a full product review of this tent. And until then, I hope you can all get out there, enjoy life, have a great time, go have an adventure. See ya.